How to fix Schedule 1 multiplayer not working. Schedule 1 multiplayer not working. Then just watch this video. First, you just need to simply open up your Steam application. From Steam, you need to go with your friends option. Under friends, you need to go with view friends list. You can go with the plus button right here, which will take you to this kind of interface. Here you will have your friend code, or you can also go and generate a new link. Go and copy the link which will be on the right side, or you can also enter a friend code and your problem might be fixed. Or you can check your server status. If the game has online servers, check if they are down. Visit the official website or check social media platforms like Twitter or Reddit. If that doesn't work, then verify the game file. If playing on your Steam or another launcher, you need to verify your game files. So in Steam, you need to go with your library section, which will be in the top left, and then you need to go with Schedule 1. Like for example, I don't have Schedule 1 right here. I'll just simply go with any game and then go with Properties. Under Properties, you will have Installed Files here. You need to click on Installed Files, and then on the right side, you will find Verify Integrity of Game Files. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then update the game. Make sure Schedule 1 is up to date. If updates are available, download and install them. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.